What's up, YouTube? This is Racing's Natural Aquariums coming to you today with an unboxing. A few of you may have known that Chemi-pure did the 12-day Christmas contest for some Chemi-pure products, and I actually won day 9. So I've got this far. I actually haven't gone through it yet, so let's see what I won. Alright, so what we have is the Chemi-pure all-in-one filter media, original formula, 40 ounce, and it's filter media in a nylon bag, so that's pretty cool. And there is the other one, so that's 2, and looks like they actually included more, which is pretty cool. I actually wanted to try out this, but as I see, the Vitachem is the marine formula, so I will probably pay this one forward because I definitely don't run saltwater. But that was pretty cool that they added that in there. And then Chemi-clean for the treatment of red bacteria. And this too is for reef tanks, saltwater tanks. So this one I may pay it forward as well, because it's not something I can use in a freshwater tank. Which kind of sucks, because it definitely would help with some of the algae that I've got going on. But that is pretty cool. And then they sent the Coral Reef Marine Aquarium magazine. So that was definitely pretty awesome. Yeah, maybe this is a sign. I know there's been talk about wanting to do a saltwater. So who knows, this could be a sign of things to come for Racing's Natural Aquariums. But that's pretty cool. That was a nice thing that Chemi-pure did for everybody. So, I was actually going to do 2 separate videos, but I figure I am already in the midst of this one. I would do one more. So, this was an order that was placed during Aquarium Co-op's Christmas special. Christmas live stream, so decent pricing. So I figured I would jump on and order some stuff that I needed. So I ordered the big bag of sinking wafers for my Cories and my Loaches and my Plecos and my striped Raphaels. So the pricing on this during the sale was actually better than my LFS's and my chain stores in my area. For what I paid for this, I would have only gotten a bag about that big. And of course, got my Plecos, they're bug bites. And this is the 4.6 ounce bag. And the price on this too was great, because my local stores is probably about $3 more a bag, give or take. And then I also got the medium to large size bug bites, which luckily for me, my fish definitely love the bug bites in any shape or form. So that is it, folks. I just wanted to share that with you. And of course, more Aquarium Co-op stickers. Can never have enough. So, this is Racing's Natural Aquariums, thanking you all for stopping by and checking out my video and supporting my channels. Going into 2018, hopefully I'll be dropping some more content. And hopefully everybody had an awesome holiday. And I'm looking forward to catching a lot of your videos. And 2018, aquatic experience coming to New Jersey. My room is booked. Hope to see you there. RNA, wishing you a blessed day. God bless. Peace. Racing's Natural Aquariums, out.